How the Philippines is becoming Asia's next economic power. What if the next economic giant in Asia isn't China, Japan, or South Korea? What if a country known for its beautiful beaches, friendly people, and tropical islands is quietly transforming into one of the region's most promising economic success stories? The Philippines is rapidly emerging as a major force in Asia. For decades, the country faced challenges such as poverty, infrastructure gaps, and political instability. However, over the last several years, significant reforms, technological growth, foreign investments, and a young workforce have started changing the nation's future. Today, global companies are investing billions of dollars in the Philippines. New highways, airports, railways, and smart cities are being built. The country is becoming a key player in technology, business outsourcing, manufacturing, tourism, and renewable energy. So, what exactly is driving this remarkable transformation? Let's explore the reasons why the Philippines could become Asia's next economic powerhouse. Number 1, a young and dynamic workforce. One of the Philippines' biggest advantages is its population. With over 110 million people, the country has one of the youngest populations in Asia. Every year, millions of young Filipinos enter the workforce, bringing energy, innovation, and skills to various industries. Unlike many developed nations facing aging populations, the Philippines enjoys a demographic advantage. A larger working-age population means more productivity, higher consumer spending, and stronger economic growth. Young professionals are increasingly entering fields such as information technology, engineering, healthcare, finance, digital marketing, customer service. This growing talent pool is attracting international businesses looking for skilled and affordable workers. Number 2. The global capital of business process outsourcing, BPO. The Philippines has become one of the world's leading business process outsourcing hubs. Major international companies outsource services such as customer support, technical assistance, accounting, human resources, software development, healthcare services. Cities like Manila, Cebu, and Davao have become major outsourcing centers. The country's strong English proficiency gives it a huge competitive advantage. Filipino workers are known for their communication skills, professionalism, and customer-friendly approach. The BPO industry generates billions of dollars annually and employs millions of Filipinos, making it one of the strongest pillars of the economy. Number 3. Massive infrastructure development. Economic growth cannot happen without strong infrastructure. Recognizing this, the government launched ambitious infrastructure programs aimed at modernizing the country. Major projects include new airports, expressways, rail systems, seaports, bridges, smart urban developments. Improved transportation reduces travel time, lowers business costs, and increases productivity. Investors are far more likely to build factories and offices when roads, airports, and logistics systems operate efficiently. These developments are helping connect remote regions to major economic centers, creating opportunities across the country. Number 4. Rising foreign direct investment. International investors are increasingly viewing the Philippines as an attractive destination. Several factors make the country appealing. Strategic location in Southeast Asia. Large consumer market. Competitive labor costs. Growing middle class. Government reforms. Companies from the United States, Japan, South Korea, Singapore, and Europe are expanding their presence in the country. Foreign investments bring new jobs, advanced technologies, skills training, export opportunities. As confidence in the Philippine economy continues to grow, investment inflows are expected to increase even further. Number 5. The boom of the digital economy. The digital revolution is transforming the Philippines. Internet access has expanded dramatically, allowing millions of Filipinos to participate in the digital economy. Online industries experiencing rapid growth include e-commerce, fintech, digital payments, online education, freelancing, content creation. Filipino entrepreneurs are launching innovative startups that serve both local and international markets. The country's growing digital ecosystem is attracting venture capital and helping create entirely new industries. Digital transformation is no longer a future trend in the Philippines, it is happening right now. Number 6. A rapidly growing middle class. A strong middle class is often a sign of a healthy economy. As incomes rise, more Filipinos can afford better housing, education, healthcare, technology, travel, consumer products. This increase in spending creates demand for businesses, encouraging further investment and job creation. Shopping malls, restaurants, housing developments, and retail businesses continue expanding throughout the country. The growth of the middle class creates a powerful cycle that fuels long-term economic development. Number 7. Strategic location in Asia. Geography plays a crucial role in economic success. The Philippines sits at the center of some of the world's busiest trade routes. Its location provides access to major markets such as China, Japan, South Korea, Indonesia, Vietnam, Singapore. This strategic position makes the country an important gateway for international trade and logistics. Companies seeking to expand throughout Asia often view the Philippines as an ideal regional base. As global supply chains continue evolving, the country's location becomes even more valuable. Number 8. Tourism is becoming an economic engine. Tourism remains one of the country's most promising sectors. The Philippines is home to thousands of islands featuring white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, diving destinations, mountain landscapes, rich cultural heritage. Destinations such as Boracay, Palawan, Siargao, Cebu City continue attracting visitors from around the world. Tourism generates employment in hospitality, transportation, retail, food services, and entertainment. As tourism infrastructure improves, the sector could become an even larger contributor to economic growth. Number 9. Manufacturing is expanding. Many global manufacturers are searching for alternatives to traditional production centers. The Philippines is increasingly benefiting from this shift. Manufacturing industries include electronics, semiconductors, medical devices, automotive components, food processing. The country already exports billions of dollars worth of electronic products annually. As businesses diversify supply chains across Asia, the Philippines is positioned to capture a larger share of manufacturing investments. The Philippines is no longer just a tourist destination known for beautiful beaches and warm hospitality. It is steadily transforming into one of Asia's most exciting economic success stories. A young workforce, booming digital economy, rising foreign investment, infrastructure modernization, manufacturing growth, and a rapidly expanding middle class are all contributing to this transformation. Combined with its strategic location and entrepreneurial spirit, the country has many of the ingredients needed for long-term prosperity. Challenges still exist, and the journey toward becoming a major economic power will require continued reforms and innovation. However, the momentum is undeniable. If current trends continue, the Philippines may soon stand alongside Asia's leading economies, not merely as a participant, but as one of the region's most influential economic powerhouses. The Philippines' economic rise is no longer a possibility. It is becoming a reality before the world's eyes.
Thanks for watching Travel Vibes. Do subscribe, like and comment for more videos.